Okay everyone, welcome back to Mike's Yoga channel and welcome to this Yoga Isometric workout. When you're ready, roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay everyone, so let's begin today's practice coming into an extended child's pose. So bringing the knees as wide as the mat, letting the big toes touch behind you, and then from here start to extend the arms out long, really breathing into the back body here, stretching out the back. You can let your forehead rest in the mat here as well. And on your next exhale, let's shift forward and we'll take a high cobra. So stacking the hands underneath the shoulders and then just opening up the heart, opening up the chest. Feel free to roll your shoulders back here, open up even more, keeping your core slightly engaged. And then exhale, shift it back, and we'll come into all fours. So keeping the hands stacked underneath the shoulders, fingers are spread wide, and then stacking the knees right underneath the hips, tops of the feet are pushing into the mat. And from here we'll do a few rounds of cat-cow. So inhale, drop the belly, open the chest. Exhale, rounding the spine. Inhale, drop the belly, open the chest. Exhale, round. Do two more, moving with your breath. One more. Great, so from here, stand in all fours, really push into the tops of the feet and let your knees lift up off the mat. And we're just gonna hover here. So this will be our first isometric pose. We'll hold this for about 30 seconds. Make sure to breathe. Keep that core engaged. About halfway. Four, three, two, one. Exhale, release. Great job, you guys. From here, we'll just start to wake up the core by doing a few rounds of crunches. So keeping the left knee and the right hand planted in the mat. Let's start to extend our right leg out long, extending our left arm out long, and we'll just do 5 crunches here, bringing the knee and the elbow into the chest. It's 2. 5. Take it over to the other side, extending the right arm out long, extending that left leg long. 5 crunches on this side when you're ready. Last one. Awesome job, you guys. From here, let's shift our hips up, coming into downward facing dog. Feel free to pedal up the feet here initially just to wake up the back of the legs. Keeping your fingers spread wide, hands are actively pushing into the mat here again. And then when you're ready, let's find a nice neutral position. We'll hold here for 30 seconds. About halfway. Five, four, three, two, one. Awesome job, you guys. From here, let's walk our feet up behind our hands. And we'll take a forward fold here, keeping the knees bent. And then when you're ready on your next inhale, let's slowly start to roll it up, keeping the knees bent. Stacking the spine. Your chin is the last to lift. Coming into mountain pose, roll your shoulders back here. Awesome job, you guys. So from here, we got 3 rounds of sun salutations with some isometric mixed in. So I like to call them just isometric sun salutations. So let's come to the top of our mat. Our feet can be together or hip width distance apart. And then from here, let's inhale, bring the hands up towards the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank. We're going to hold plank for 30 seconds. Keep that core engaged. Make sure to breathe here. Halfway. Five, four, three, two, one. Exhale, lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Inhale, baby cobra. Gaze down. Exhale, shift it back to downward facing dog. Make sure to breathe. On your next inhale, come up on the tiptoes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, bring the feet together if you're not already. Bend the knees to the point where you can only look at your 2 big toes right in between your knees. And bring your arms up overhead like you're holding a big beach ball. Keeping that core engaged, we'll hold here in chair pose, 30 seconds. Halfway. Five, four, three, two, one. Exhale, rise up. Great job, you guys. So that was 1 isometric sun salutation. So we got 2 more. So when you're ready, let's inhale, bring the hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank. Hold here, 30 seconds. halfway. Five, four, three, two, one. Exhale, come back to downward facing dog. If you need to take a child's pose at any time, feel free. On your next inhale, come up on the tiptoes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, drop it down into chair pose. Hold here 30 seconds. Halfway, building lots of strength today. Five, four, three, two, one. Rise back up. Great job, you guys. We've got one more round. On our next inhale, bring the hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank, hold here 30 seconds. Halfway. Embrace the burn. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe. On your next inhale, come up on the tiptoes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward. Step, hop, or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, drop it down into chair. Looking at your two big toes in between your knees. Hold here. Halfway. Five, four, three, two, one. Exhale, rise back up. Awesome job, you guys. Almost done. From here, let's inhale, bring the hands up once again. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the hands. This time, step it back to downward facing dog. Catching your breath. And then from here on your next inhale, bring that right leg up towards the sky. Exhale, bend the right knee. Step the right foot up in between the hands. Pivot the left foot to 90 degrees. And then air guitar the left arm up. Coming into warrior two pose. So stacking that right knee over your right ankle, and then right heel is in line with the left arch. And then from here, bring your arms out to a T. Breathe. We have about 15 seconds on each side here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On your next inhale, reach it back, peaceful warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down, step it back to downward facing dog. Let's take it over to the other side. Inhale, lift that left leg up towards the sky. Exhale, bend that left knee. Step that left foot up in between the hands. Pivot the right foot 90 degrees. And then air guitar your right arm up, warrior 2. Again, left knee over left ankle and left heel in line with the right arch. Arms to a T. Breathe. 15 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, peaceful warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down. Step it back to downward facing dog. Awesome job, you guys. From here, let's lower the knees down and we'll come into a toe stand. So curling the toes and sitting back onto your heels, giving the feet some love here. And then on your next exhale, uncurl the toes, release. Feel free to lie on your back, take a shavasana, or let's come into a seated position of your choice. And that wraps up our practice today. Thank you so much for sharing your time and your energy with me today. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. From here, let's bring our hands up to our third eye. The light in me honors the light in all of you. Thank you so much. Namaste.